Follow the suggestion in this video to get the best out of my coffees.
Let us brew coffee from Colombia together. This is El Vergel from the Tolima region. The variety is Caturra and the process is a classic washed. For more details on this coffee, please visit our webshop. To release all flavors of El Vergel into your cup, prepare 250 grams of third wave water at 92 degrees Celsius in the kettle. Weigh out 16 grams of coffee and grind on click 34 using your Comandante. This leads to a lovely acidity and rich body. To avoid any unwanted flavors, rinse the paper with hot brewing water. This also warms your V60. Now add the ground coffee and shake the filter for an even extraction. Get ready for the 4 pours. Pour 1, 50 grams over 7 seconds, circular pouring, releasing the CO2 from the roasting process. Second pour, at 20 seconds, another 50 grams, circular pouring. Pour number 3, at 40 seconds, another 50 grams, circular pouring again. And then the last pour, at 1 minute, 100 grams over 10 seconds in active circular pouring. Swirl the brew at 1 minute and 30 seconds. This leads to an even more balanced cup profile with this coffee. After the total brew time of 2 minutes and 30 seconds, you can enjoy the flavors of green apple, honey, orange and marzipan in your cup of El Vergel from Colombia.